chance of a thunderstorm. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.